The news comes as the Obama administration is facing Democratic opposition to including an overhaul of student loans as part of health care reform. The White House had sought to expand Pell Grants while diminishing the role of private companies, criticized for charging exorbitant rates on student loans. But several Democratic lawmakers have opposed including student loans in the health care package. The Washington Post reports a consensus appears to be emerging among Democrats that it would be unwise to push for the education proposal as part of health care reform.